Greetings. In this tutorial, we're going to be taking this beautiful VR staircase art gallery that is here on SketchFab. I've purchased it for $7.99, for $7.99, and I am now going to convert this into a Mozilla Hubs room. We can spin this around and look at it. You see that it's got 2 levels, staircase. And so as a Mozilla Hubs room, we would want to customize this. So let me take you through the process. First of all, we're going to download it. So after you've paid the $7.99, of course, go ahead and download. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to download the GLTF format. Okay, and so we'll go ahead and hit download, and I'll put it inside of a folder. Let's open it up. And I'm just going to bring all of these files over here. Matter of fact, let's just make another folder to put the files. So first of all, when you download this, it's going to be huge. It's a 4K. All the textures are in 4K. So if we hover over, you see how, like the floor, 4096 by 4096. So this is 4K. That means that it's extremely high resolution. It's going to take forever to load. It's going to be huge. So the first thing that I'm going to do is convert all of these textures into like a reduced file size. And the file size that works best for Mozilla Hubs is no larger than 2048 by 2048. So I'm going to open up Photoshop, click open. I'm going to select all the textures. Now that we have them all open, I'll go through and check the file sizes. For any texture that has a file size of 4096, I'm going to change it to 2048. And we're keeping the proportions constrained, so the width and height will stay proportionate. And then I just click OK, and I'm just going to save it. I'm going to save it with, we can bring down the quality, but I'll just leave it at 8. Click OK. And close this one out. I'm going to skip any of the ones that are already at 2048. I just want all of the files to be at 2048. So now we're going to open up Blender and we're going to compress this all into a GLB file. So we open up Blender, click General. Let's just delete this cube. All right. And then let's import GLTF. And then we're gonna select the scene GLTF. The textures are already resized, so the textures that it will use will be, so if I come here under shading, we can see this is our model. All right. And so now I'm just going to export this. If we wanted to, we could delete stuff in here, like for example, get rid of those leaves. I may even get rid of that tree. But yeah, we can go around and we can make any edits that we wanted to. So now let's go ahead and export. Just come here under File, Export, and then we're going to export a GLB /GLTF. Navigate to the directory that you want to export the file. Now I'm just going to name this VR Staircase and export GLTF 2.0. Now, inside of Spoke, so we're just gonna go new project, new empty project, and I'm gonna get rid of this crater. Okay, so here we are, we've got this empty area. This is our spawn point right there. So I'll just go under my assets, upload. We're gonna upload the VR staircase right here. And here we have it. So now I'll just go ahead and click. Once I click, it'll come up and be attached to the cursor, and I'm just gonna sit it right here where the spawn point is. And so now let's look around. So here we have it. Okay, we've got our spawn point right here. He's looking at this, but we don't have any navigation. So watch this. I'll click floor plan and I have it on nav mesh mode automatic. Let's just click regenerate and voila. Now we have our navigation for the floor plan. We have our floor plan. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish the scene. I'm going to name it VR Staircase. I'm going to name it Beautiful VR Staircase. So here we actually have the performance check. It's not too bad. We can make this even lower by removing things, making the textures even smaller, etc. But I'll go ahead and publish scene. Let's view the scene. So I'm going to create a room with this scene. And so first let's join the room on the desktop. So here we are. There's that tree. Let's go up the stairs. And here we have it. Let's go into the room with the headset. 985013. So let's join the room. And here we are. And as you can see, even though we've significantly reduced the quality, everything still looks amazing. And since we've done the floor plan, our navigation is perfect. I can't go out places that I'm not supposed to. I can't navigate through places that I'm not supposed to. Go straight up the stairs. So that's it. Ask any questions.